Hello students, now come to the next topic of our chapter geometry is angle. Now we will discuss about angle. Now what is angle? See, if we take a point, okay, from here one ray is originated. Suppose P, one ray is S here. Another ray if originate from here, PQS. Look at here carefully. From one starting point, two rays are originating. These rays are getting separated with each other. No, if they move, they start moving. One is going in this direction, another is going little bit in slanting direction. They are getting apart. They are separating. As they move, they create a separation. This distance, this is known as what? Angle. So, or you can see in another word, a common point with two rays creates an angle. This arm PQ, this one, and PS, this one, known as what? Arm of the angle, arm. Okay, this point P is known as what? Vertex. Is that clear? This is known as what? Vertex. So how we will name this angle? Actually, let me write here. The name of this angle will be angle symbol Q, this one, P, the vertex should be in the middle, and then end of this S, or angle SPQ. Remember that these 2 points at the end means on the, this is the starting point, no, the extending points, or you can say end point of the two angle. You can write Q at the beginning, this vertex should be in the middle, and then this again, this end point should be, the extended point should be in the corner. Means every time whenever you try to write the name of the angle, the vertex point should be in the middle. Okay, or simply you can write angle P. Okay, but this type of writing of angle and this type of writing of angles have some different importance. When single angle is there, suppose like this, one angle is there like this, A, B, C. In this case, we can write angle ABC or angle B. But what you will do when you get two angles from the same vertex? No need to give any ray, suppose simply, or you can give ray here. A, it is B, C, D. Now if you want to, if I write angle ABC, and I ask you which angle I am talking about, you can directly say that angle ABC. So I am talking about this angle. So you can see. But if I write angle B, then which angle I am talking about? Now you will get confused whether you will say this one or entire one. So in that case, we have to use 3-letter name of the angle should be in 3-letter, so that it will be specifically identify which angle we are talking about. See, if I write angle CBD, then it will be this angle CBD. But if I write angle B, it will be confusing. That's why I'm giving question mark. So only when there will be one angle on a point, on a vertex, then you can write either ABC or angle B. It will be easy. But when we are using, or when we are trying to name an angle where two angles are there in the same vertex, or more than two angles are there, then this type of naming is required, and this type of naming you won't be able to write this type of naming. So in this type of cases you should know how to write. So you should know both the ways how to write an angle. Either you can write QPS or SPQ or angle P where the vertex is there. Is that clear? But when this type of angles is there, in one vertex two angles are there, then you will use these 3 letters naming of this angle. Is that clear? Now come to the next topic. Next topic is comparison of angle. Simply, if we see this angle 1 PQS and this one, suppose ABC2. By looking these two figures, we can clearly say that the arms of these two angles and the separation between the arms of these angles are different. In this case, the separation is less. The arm PS and PQ are less separated. The separation between the arms, is less comparable to this AB and AC. The separation is more here. So the measurement of angle is this is greater than this one. This is the simple comparison. Now come to the in your book, types of angle. Now how many types of angles are there? See. In your standard, there are 4 types of angles is mentioned here right now. First one is your right angle. Second is a straight angle. Okay. Acute angle. And obtuse angle. Okay. Now we will discuss what is right angle, what is straight angle, what is acute angle, and what is obtuse angle. See, when the separation between the arms, suppose P, here S and Q, this is 90 degree, then we call it as a right angle. Now let me show you once again. Where is the protector here? Let me show you this thing in the camera. It will take a little bit of time because it will take some time to autofocus here. Okay, this is the protector here right now, and let me autofocus here. Come on, come. Now see, here you can see. This is, see here, this is 0. If you start calculating 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree, 90 degree. So if you see this line and this line, 90 degree straight, perpendicular, then it is known as 90 degree. If we start measuring from this direction, this above, this one, the outer ring is the number is there 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So this scale you will use it. Now if you take this side as a base and start measuring from this direction, then you will use the inner circle here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. If you simply, I want to say that when you will start measuring, anti-clockwise, then you will use inner circle, and when you start clockwise, then you will use outer circle. So if this side is the base, then from here to here is 90 degree, and if this is your base, then from this inner circle to here is 90 degree. So I hope you got the idea right now. And see, from this 0, see, from 0 to entire semicircle complete is 180 degree. Is that clear? This is known as what? Straight angle. Now come to the board here. Let me adjust a little bit, okay? Now, so you got the clear idea. When you measure it in this way, as because the base is in direction, so you will start measuring anti-clockwise direction, then you will use inner circle, okay, inner one. And if you measure in this way, suppose, and the arm is like here, A, B, C. Now if you start clockwise direction, then you will use outer circle for the measurement with this protractor, okay? So when the measurement is 90 degree, then we call it as a what? Right angle, this one, right angle. Is that clear? Now let's talk about straight angle. Let's take this is an arm, okay? This is our rotating point or center, whatever you want to say. One arm is here and another arm start rotating clockwise direction and ends here completely opposite to this arm on a straight line. When it makes a straight line means it moves like this, no? In this way, in this way, in this way, in this way, and it stops here just opposite to this arm. Suppose it's O, P and Q. So this OP, this OQ starts from OP, it starts slowly moving and it ends here, means completely it make a straight line. So see, from here to here 90 degree, another moves 90 degrees, so 90 plus 90 gives you 180 degree. So the measurement of this is how much? 180 degree. Then it forms a straight angle. In right angle how much? You will get 90 degree. In straight angle how much? 180 degree. Is that clear now? So this is known as what? Straight angle. Now let's talk about acute angle. When we call an angle as an acute, see, this is one of the arm of the angle PQ, and one of the angle arm is R. Is that clear? PQR. Now, the angle is, the measurement angle will be anti-clockwise direction in this way. This is the point, and from here the another ray is moving in this direction. Okay. So the measurement of this angle, if it is less than, okay, 90 degree, then this measurement of angle, suppose X, so X should be less than 90 degree. It means it should be below 90, maybe 89 degree or maybe 80 degree or 70 degree or 20 degree or maybe 10 degree, whatever. As soon as it reaches 90 degree, the name will changes from acute to right angle. Is that clear now? So it should be less than 90 degree, then it is known as what? Acute angle. And if we talk about, so the measurement of this one, it will be like this, no? For acute angle, like this, greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree, it is known as what? Acute angle. But what about obtuse angle? See, this is one of the arm here and one of the arm is here. This P, Q, R, two arms, PQ and PR. You can clearly see that it is more than 90 degree. This one is supposed to be right angle, this one 90 degree. Am I right? If you exceed the 90 degree, means 90.5 or 91 like this, means you are crossing the limit of right angle. So what? You are stepping into the range of obtuse angle, and this obtuse angle will be in between right angle and between straight angle, or you can say that the measurement of this obtuse angle will be more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So the obtuse angle will be it will be more than obtuse angle. Okay, more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. For example 91 degree, this obtuse angle, for example, and less than 179 degree. Just for an example I am talking about. More than 90 degree means 91 degree at least if you take 1 degree, and less than 180 degree is 179 degrees. So the range between obtuse angle will be more than 90 and less than 180 degree. This is known as what? Obtuse angle. So I hope you have understood this one very clearly. What is angle, how angle creates, and what are the terms given. This is known as what? Arm. These two PQ, PR, or known as arm. This P is known as vertex. This symbol shows the measurement of the angle. Okay, suppose let me give you some example. If I draw the picture like this, P Q R, and if I ask you measure the angle PQR, and if I gives you arrow like this, so you will measure the angle between these two arms in this direction. But if I tell you measure the angle PQR, gives you an angle like this, how you will measure it? So see, with the help of protractor it is not easy to measure entire thing because we have only 180 degree measurement is there na. So we know that entire circle, suppose from point here, if we start measuring and again come to this point, it gives you 360 degree. Is that clear? Let me show you. Let me explain you once more. Try to understand here. If you start moving in this direction, if you reach here, it is 90 degree. Is that clear now? Now again if you start moving in this direction, if you reach against just opposite to this one, again it is 90 degree. From here to here, 90 degree. Okay, let me show you this thing. From this to this direction is 90 degree. Same thing from here, from this position to this position is 90 degree. Again from this position to this position is 90 degree, and from this position to this position is 90 degree. So how many 90 we are getting here? Just see, look at here. 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 gives you 360. 90 into 4, 9 4 36 and 1 0 360 degree. So this is 360 degree. Now if I ask you measure PQR, this angle, so how you will measure? First measure this angle, this one, with the help of protractor, and subtract it from 360 degree. You will get this measurement. Very simple. Once again I want to say that if you measure, suppose if I start measuring this one, so this is 40 degree. For example, this one is how much? 40 degree. So what will be the measure of this one? This only what? How much? 360 degree minus 40 degree. So it gives you how much? 320 degree. It is not there in your book, though I taught you for your better knowledge. Okay. So 90 degree means right angle, 180 degree means straight angle. The angle in between 0 to 90 degree is known as what? Acute angle. And the angle which falls between 90 degree to 180 degree, between these two degrees, it is known as what? Obtuse angle. So I hope you have understood this one. Thank you.